Hi friends, today we're going to make veg bread lasagna. You need to pre-boil broccoli and corn. I have used red and yellow bell pepper, capsicum, carrot and green chilies. For red sauce, you need to make a cross cut on tomatoes. You can take 4 tomatoes and boil them. Once they are boiled, you need to peel the skin and make a puree out of it. Take a pan, take 1 tablespoon of oil, add 1 tablespoon of garlic finely chopped and just fry it for 1 minute. Add 1 finely chopped onion and fry it until it becomes pink. Now you add the tomato puree and cook it for some time, 3 to 4 minutes on medium flame. Add 1 tablespoon of oregano, 1 tablespoon of red chili flakes and 1 tablespoon of pepper powder. You can also add salt as per taste and half tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of red chili powder. Boil it until your red sauce is ready. Once it starts boiling, it's ready. You can keep it aside. Take 8 slices of bread. You can either take white bread or brown bread and remove the corners. For the white sauce, take 1 tablespoon of oil. Take 1 tablespoon of butter. You can use more butter depending upon your requirement. Take 1 tablespoon of finely chopped garlic and fry it in the butter until the garlic is properly fried. Take 3 cups of milk. We are avoiding maida in making the white sauce. Salt as per taste. Half tablespoon of black pepper. 1 tablespoon of oregano or mixed seasoning. I had kept some macaroni in water for some time, 10 to 15 minutes. So I am just using it and putting it in the white sauce. So now we need to cook it for 4 to 5 minutes on medium flame. You can also add cheese, processed cheese or mozzarella cheese, till the white sauce is thick and it starts boiling. You take the white sauce liquid in a bowl and keep it aside, and the remaining white sauce you can let it allow to cool. Now I'm going to fry the vegetables and make it crispy. So take a pan, take 1 tablespoon of oil, take 1.5 tablespoon of butter, let the butter melt, add 1 tablespoon of finely chopped garlic, add 1 full medium chopped onion and let it allow to become pink. Fry it properly on medium flame. Once the onion is fried, you need to slowly add all the vegetables which have been chopped, including the pre-boiled broccoli and corn. I have also added 2 finely chopped green chilies. So cook them on medium flame for 5 to 6 minutes. Keep mixing them. You can add more butter if required. The vegetables are going to become crunchy after some time. Fry the vegetables thoroughly. 1 tablespoon of salt or salt as per taste. 1 tablespoon of oregano or mixed herbs. 1 tablespoon of red chili flakes and half tablespoon of black pepper. The bread slices need to be properly pressed. Take a pan and grease it with butter. Make a layer of red sauce. Spread it evenly. Your next layer would be the white sauce. So spread the white sauce evenly on the red sauce. Next we need to make a layer of bread. So totally we are having 8 slices of bread. So first 4 slices of bread we need to make the next layer. Grease them with red sauce thoroughly. You can use the white sauce again on the red sauce. So basically lasagna is more of layering. I'm using the white sauce liquid which I had kept it aside. Now one more layer of vegetables which we had fried. Top them up with lots of mozzarella cheese or processed cheese. Then another layer of 4 slices. Again repeat the process of greasing it with red sauce, white sauce and cheese. On top of cheese, you need to add some butter in between. So that will help the cheese melt properly. Add one more layer of red sauce and then keep it on gas on medium flame. After 7 minutes, remove the lid and spread the red sauce evenly. Just mix it so that it mixes with the cheese and cover the lid and let it cook for another 5 to 7 minutes on medium flame. Your lasagna is ready. You can top it with red chili flakes and oregano. You can also use ketchup if you want. So happy eating and our yummy lasagna is ready.